Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.3, Problem 21. This is Section 2.3, Problem 21. It says, determine if the fractions are equivalent, and we have 6 over 8 and 18 over 24 as our two fractions. So we could try to reduce both fractions to their simplest form and see if the results come out the same, or we could multiply the numerator of each fraction times the denominator of the other fraction and see if those results come out the same. So multiplying the numerator of the first fraction times the denominator of the second fraction will give me 6 times 24. Now, you can go ahead and multiply that out the long way if you don't see the answer in your head right away. So 6 times 4 is 24. Put down the 4, carry the 2. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus 2 more that you carried would be 14. And the answer is 144. And I'll see if I get a 144 again or something different when I multiply the denominator of the first fraction times the numerator of the second. 8 times 18. Now again, those are fairly large numbers, so you can multiply it out the long way. 8 times 8 is 64. Write the 4 from the 64, carry the 6. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 plus 6 more is 14, which is 144 again. So because I got the same result for both multiplications, that means that these fractions are equivalent.